Hello, my name is Francis Whelan. I'm a Senior Project Manager for Balco UK. We're here tonight at the Lightbody Street project. As you can see, we're having to do our installation work at night. This is because there is no space on site for our crane, so we're having to close Lightbody Street in partnership with Liverpool Council in order to bring our crane on site and lift our balconies into position. We are responsible for carrying out the lift plan, managing the crane and liaising with Liverpool Council to get this road closed tonight. This is another one of our projects where the balconies have been able to arrive on site fully assembled, saving sufficient time, preventing us having to assemble balconies on ground level. On this project, we've provided 129 Levitate balconies, 131 aluminium Juliet balconies, along with 11 linear metres of front-fixed aluminium balustrade. Tonight we've managed to install 20 balconies. The installation process has been really smooth with no issues on site whatsoever.